Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes all the way, big ups. Today we are trying some noodles. Yes, some brand new noodles from the 99-cent store. But hey, it wasn't 99 cents, it was $1.99. Oh my gosh, that's like $2. What? Oh, authentic Asian quality fine foods. Alright, instant noodle bowl, sesame teriyaki flavor. Let's do it guys, ready in 2 minutes. It's actually pretty heavy. Yeah. Oof. It's probably those thick noodles. So let's see here. What do we have to do? What do we have to do? Alright, remove lid. Empty all the condiments. Vegetables. Pour sauce over noodles. Add 2 teaspoons of water. Cover loosely with lid. Okay, so we put the lid back on. And 2 minutes. There you go, mix well, enjoy, enjoy. Sounds good. Let's get to the kitchen, yeah? And of course, we'll add the sriracha if needed. It's been a while since we did that because of all the spicy noodle challenges we've been going through. Kitchen time, let's do it, yeah! We're back guys. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's still like whitish, and I'm looking at the package and these look like dark noodles soaked in teriyaki, ready to go, restaurant quality. Like seriously, look at that, delicious, right? And it has like peppers and chives and sesame seeds. And then I look at this, I'm just like, oh, that's hot, that's hot. Maybe I added too much water. Yeah, so anyways, got my green tea, got the sriracha just in case, I'm sure we're gonna need it, and my plastic fork that it came with. Okay, so yeah, let's give this a try everyone. Thick noodles. Actually the noodles aren't that bad, but the sauce. Noodles are good, but not tasting much of the teriyaki. What's up with that? Come on, guys. A little bit of teriyaki. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I added too much water. I don't think that was 2 teaspoons, but whoops. Yeah, I think it's sriracha time. I have to say though, the noodles are really good. I think the best noodle quality out of all of them. I mean, they should be for like $2, right? How does that look? Ooh, appetizing, yeah? All right, sriracha, help me out. Okay, mix it, mix it, mix it. Yeah, plastic. Spicy, but not as spicy as those challenges I did. Oh my gosh, the Korean one. Nope, nope. You saw it. Go check it out if you haven't. That destroyed me. The hottest thing I ever eaten were those noodles in my life. Sriracha doesn't even come compared to that. That is just wow. Where's my napkin? Where is it? Oh, God. There it is. There. Cheers. Stuff is the best. Green tea, Arizona. Yeah, sign me up. I'm not tasting. Oh, okay, now it's spicy. I'm not tasting much of the peppers though. Oh, there's one. Okay, I was like, I'm just eating noodles here. All right, that helped. I guess 5 out of 10 without the sriracha. With the sriracha, 6 out of 10. The noodles, I have to say, the noodles in general, the noodles, just the noodles, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Like, those are some high quality, top of the line noodles right there, if I say so myself. They're just so thick and just, look at that. Just looks perfect, doesn't it? Not that brown color in the package though, but still good. I'm not sure what type of noodles these are. All I know is they're thick and juicy. Yeah. Yeah. Right now, 6 out of 10. We'll see if I get any stomach aches, bro. You know how it is. You know how my stomach is. I'm not eating with this. This thing's garbage. Where's my real fork? Come on, this is a real fork right here, boys, girls, whoever's watching. Pick up the right amount of noodles right there. Now, the question is, you know, the other one's my favorite. Would I eat this if I had like no food, so lazy to make something, package right there, just grab it, make it, there you go. Would I do that with these? Maybe. But for $2? Yeah, is it worth that amount? No. It's like $1, okay? It's just like $1. But I'm sure if you actually took the noodles, you know, the package that it came in, and if you made something with that, I'm sure it'd be really good, seriously. Like gourmet. You know me. I'm the noodle master now. I need a refill. Oh, spicy. Oh, went in my nose. But anyways, I guess I'll finish these up and edit this video. So we'll see you next time. 6 out of 10, 8 out of 10 in the noodles in general. Okay, remember that. 5 out of 10 just straight up without sriracha. Alright guys, we'll see you. Like and subscribe. Let me know what noodles you want me to try next. 99-cent store, yeah. Alright, laters.